Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, and coming to you live from the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Tour, presented to you by California Car Cover. And here's our one of our last stops for the day. We're here at the Queen Mary. After this, we head over to Danchuk and stop into the shop there and check it out. But here we are at Queen Mary, so let's go ahead and check it out. We just got here, and we're going to go get our tickets. We're going to get on our tour here pretty soon. Let's walk along the line of cars that just showed up. So some of us had to rent a car to kind of cruise along. So hey, why not go in a yellow Corvette convertible? But yeah, we just got here. We kind of have our own little car show thing going on here. So we got a chance to all line up along here. So we're ready to go. We've got some beautiful sunny weather today. So about time after all the rain we've had to put up with. But it's just a beautiful, gorgeous day here today, and coming on to see the Queen Mary. Now, the Queen Mary is kind of like a little, little prize for us here in California. She served as a luxury ocean liner and also a troop carrier, and now she's a tourist attraction here in the Port of Long Beach. So we're going to go on the tour here and check it all out. We're going on the historical tour, which is personally my favorite. It talks about the history of the ship and all her duties that she did over the years and how she ended up here. Anyways, stay tuned for more posts and more updates. So we'll just take one last look at the cars before we head on out and get our tickets and get on the tour. Again, this is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Tour, presented to you by California Car Cover. Stay tuned for more pics. Bye-bye.